Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. As I said in my previous video that I'm enjoying a lot because I'm here in Dimapur, Nagaland. So I'm here with another very good recipe. Today I'm going to make Axone pickle. So I'll make this pickle and this I'm going to take it to Gurgaon. And by the way, Happy New Year to all my family members. So we will start cooking. Let's start cooking. Jui bra puna mo bhal bra. So first of all, we'll add this mustard oil. This is pickle, so you have to be generous in adding the oil. Oh, I cannot see. Yeah, that's all. So, जुई बुना तो मुझे लगे ऐसे पूरा 1.5 year जुई दिखाना है. जब जुई दी मन फाड़ा बुना ऐसे. Now we will first add this ginger and garlic. We will fry this like 2-3 minutes. आप बहुत बड़ा है चिप्स लाओ जो लोग कम करो Okay. So as I said, this is Axone fermented soybean. Now we will add this fermented soybean in this ginger and garlic. Ini adalah hal ini. Ada sih. Halo. Paket. Kita olah lihat saya ekor hilang dulu. Bang kurisnya, cara na, cara, kurisnya, चलो 5 bisa deh, ini last packet. Oh, चलो. Halwa milabe. Mix it very nicely. So like 10 minutes we have to keep on stirring. Bishi daur jui dinu panabi nori chuli jabo. Just medium jui. Chalo ye ho gaya. Then of course you should not forget to add salt. After adding the salt, mix it nicely. So in a medium flame, you have to keep on stirring. It will take some time. Hello. Kettle. I hope in every Naga's house we have this black kettle nearby the fireplace. So we always keep here water. So while we are cooking anything, rice or whatever, corner dito thakibo aru kettle de pani bi gorom ho jay. Aru do phika khabole man bhao. So this is a must. सभी दो असली वाला किंग चिलीज है local वाला raja murja going on. So my sister, she said that it is too hot, so I will add only 2 king chili. Not in the alivo. Only 2 king chili I will add. But before adding that, idu king chili do yeah. Jadi olap gorom guri dibo man. Jo, do chula dam niso mono hakchi kuro ne. İşte itu bah inana mulai di itu last kali ayo jam guna jaya se time zero lo paki ule sabi gurgaon di jane to bhal rakha bole je dudo one week kudum gudi boni ni moi. So guys, it's been like 5-6 minutes I've been frying this fermented soybean. It will take few more minutes to cook. Ayya, it's a smell the man mucha is. What an aroma. Jo, ipar niya rakhibo aro. Chalo. Jo, king chili to hali dibo. King chili hala beshi de bhal bra sab mix kori. king chili dhala bishide again like 4-5 minutes aro fry korobo. Last chili powder bi olop halai dibo. Now bhal pura hilai di chili powder hala bishi. Sorry, buhina puna teman muza deh, korong भी लगे semula body के ना. चलो, अरे लो भाली भी. Let me taste. एकदम ठीक zigzag man झाल भी नहीं, निमक भी ठीक होइसे, आरो अखनी भी बाकी चलो guys, my akhoni pickle is done. Let's see. Look at this. Oh ho ho ho ho. Man tasty over there. So I'll keep it aside and let it cool, and after that I'll keep it inside a container. चलो टेस्ट तो बनता है, एक टेस्ट तो करेंगे. और टेस्ट कर जाओ. ठीक हो गया. ओह मन टेस्टी. It's so tasty. Well guys, I've enjoyed cooking also, and I'm enjoying eating also, and I will enjoy, what to say, when I'm there in Gurgaon, I will enjoy eating. So guys, I'm enjoying a lot, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, then please, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching this video.